Okay, so hello everyone. I'm here again with the new program. Basically, this program is nothing but we are taking number as input. For example, in hashtag, I will write 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and we want our answer in the word form, that is 1, then 2, then 3, and then 4. Okay, so that is the program. So what we have done over here is using input function, we are asking user that you enter any number, and whatever number user will enter, that will get converted into integer and it will get stored in variable num. Then we are creating one empty list using the list function. So we have a T for empty list so that we can easily append the required word in that T. Now here we are using while loop, and we have one condition, like we are checking for remainder first. So obviously, like here, if I divide 1, 2, 3, 4 by 10, then remainder will be last digit only. Okay, so at this point I will get the number 4, and then we will check it matches with which if else condition. That means here, so first it will store 4. Okay, and using append, that means what? It is in the list, it is storing 4. Then you all can see here, it is num equal to num but floor division and 10. So that means if the same number divided by 10, then quotient will be, okay, I will write in the next line, quotient will be 123. Hashtag 123 will be quotient. So now new value of num is 123. Okay, so it will come again here. Now 123 greater than 0, again condition is true only, it will go inside, again divide by, and we are interested in remainder. So your next remainder will be 3 because of 123, next will be 3. And likewise, next time we will get quotient as 12 and remainder will be 2. Then next time quotient will be 1 and remainder will be also what? 1. And then condition becomes false. So one by one it will append, first of all 4, then 3, then 2, and then 1. Now over here is, we have entered 1, 2, 3, 4. So we also want answer as 1, 2, 3, 4, not 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So once you are done with this, and suppose here if I write print, okay, and if I write, for example, print T, right now I am removing this part. Okay. So at this point, what exactly we will get? First, we will check that only. So Control S and F1. See, enter number 1, 2, 3, 4. See, we are getting 4, then 3, then 2, and then 1 because of the remainder. But we want our answer as 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will have one for loop. So we have one for loop. So for I in range, and we have 3 things. This is the first part, this is the second part, and this is the third part. Now it will check for length of T. So in T, the length is 4. So 4 minus 1, it becomes 3. So initially I will be 3. So index number 0, index number 1, index number 2, and index number 3. At index number 3 we have 1. So it will print that, comma. This indicates we want answer in a same line with space. We have given the space also. So it will start from 3, it will go till 0, and step count is -1. So first it will take 1, then it will take 2, then it will take 3, then it will take 4, and then it will come out from the for loop. So we will check that part also, that what answer we are getting. So we will remove this print because right now we want answer as 1, 2, 3, 4, not 4, 3, 2, 1. enter any number. Okay, 1 2 3 4. See, we are getting 1, then 2, then 3, and then 4. So this is how easily you all can convert any number into a word form. So thank you everyone.